Hi, I'm Jackie Andrews, and I am an art teacher at the Columbus Online Academy. Today I kind of want to run you through how to use the Mac and the iPad as a document camera and how that works with Studio to get your recordings done using the iPad as a document camera. So in order to get started with this, you're going to need to have an iPad and have a Mac product. Now if you don't have that, you can also use your Dell with the Elmo and go through the same process. So go ahead and put your iPad into your stand, then connect up with the your charging cord, and then put your power on. First of all, with your iPad, it's set right now to shut off when it's not in use. So you're going to have to go in and change the duration of shut off time to where it does not shut itself off. That way you can go through an entire class period without your document camera turning off. Right now I'm going to take you through Canvas. Once you're in Canvas, you're going to need internet to get to Canvas. Down along the side you have a number of icons, and the second one from the bottom is your Studio. So the Studio appears to be a little screen, and come into Studio. Across the top of this you're going to find Record, and it is in the upper right hand side. Hit Record, and then we're going to go to Screen Capture. If this is your first time, it's going to have an launcher app that's going to come in. You just download that and it'll allow you to open up your Screen Capture. What you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you will turn your iPad on, go to the top and begin typing QuickTime. There it comes in, and as you get into QuickTime, what you're going to find is across the top you want to go to File, and you're going to do New Movie Recording. Okay, so it appears that you are recording yourself, and if your mouse is not over the top of the picture, you're not going to see anything that can change that. But once you hover over the picture, you're going to have a little caret right here, and you can go down, and from here you can pick out your iPad device. Okay, I'm going to pick out my iPad device, and now my iPad is showing right here. As you can see, my iPad is in this area. It's showing the paper that is below it, and it will be recording that. Now my orientation right now is in the wrong direction for the size of my screen. In order to change that, just tip your iPad and it will automatically change orientation. And once you get that, I always have my iPad facing up toward the ceiling with the camera down below. That way I can see what I'm doing here, and it makes navigation much easier. It's easy to zoom in and out as I show children the whatever it is I'm drawing. If I'm going to record this, I'm going to go into Studio. I get everything set up. I go into Studio and I go through the process of going to the upper corner to record, then to Screen Capture, and then center this on the part of the iPad document camera that I want recorded. If I wanted to demonstrate something, I would just talk as I went along, and I would tell the children we're going to begin on the right side of the paper, come with a line that has a natural flow towards it. At the end of this, come back with a V, and then finish this out with a line that gets more and more narrow as it comes out. All right. Then have the children go ahead and do whatever drawing it is that you're going to do. The students are watching it on here. If it's on Zoom, they're watching it. If you have it displayed so that it's on the classroom, it might be on a whiteboard or something, you can have it displayed up that way. And we can come down and talk the children through whatever project it is that we're working on.